Good morning. Right, okay, so guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am off to Los Angeles to go and meet some girls. One second. Hey Ella, do you mind if I go to Los Angeles today?
I'm just talking to Laura. Yes, do what you want.
Okay. Right. So guys, today I'm driving up to Los Angeles and I'm going to meet two girls. Both of them are OnlyFans models and one of them's even worked for Playboy as a playmate. So that's where I'm going today, guys. I'm going to go up to Los Angeles. I'm going to meet them. I'm going to bring them down here. We've got a few days just sort of exploring California and showing them around and being a bit of a tour guide. We've got some other cool little things coming up as well. But for now, let's make our way up to LA. Right, okay, so guys, we made it to Hollywood. We are now going to go and meet the two girls. Hello!
Hi. Welcome to the absolute trash heap that is our room.
So guys, this is Laura.
Hello.
And Nina.
Hi.
And we're going to go and take Hollywood by storm. Let's go! Woo! First thing we're doing is going to Mel's Diner, getting some brekkie. It's so busy here. Like when we came last time, it was cold and raining.
I am so hungry and I'm going to start getting really cranky soon.
Well, we're going to get you waffles.
Yes,
We're going to go get some waffles. Hey man. Whoa. That's what we're doing.
Someone just growled at me.
So girls, what are you most excited about for today?
Coffee. Pancakes. It is 11 a.m. by the way.
What are you having?
Oh, actually.
Mimosa.
So we've got the coffee addict, the child,
Milkshake.
and the drunk.
And the alcoholic.
Why is this coffee the size of fucking Canary Wharf?
Why is the
Actually,
mimosa not
heavy.
that size?
I'm gonna have a heart attack in the car and die.
It's Saturday. It's Saturday.
I don't know what year it is.
It's Saturday 2022.
I'm so hungover. My brain is not functioning.
Right, okay, so guys, we've got our drinks. Hey Nina,
Yeah.
since you've been a playmate, can you get us into the house?
Oh yeah, we text every day. Oh, he's dead.
Nina, I knew you did.
I meant Hef Junior.
FGD, we text all the time.
Right, okay, so girls, we're gonna. Oh, bloody hell. I'm guessing you want to get some pictures up here, do you?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Right, okay guys, so we have just decided we're not going to go to Santa Monica because the traffic is so bad and it's really, really hot today.
Hi.
There's Laura. So we're going to head back down to San Diego. Well, I say back down to San Diego, they've not been there yet, but that's where we're going to head back down to my house and see where the night takes us. Right, okay guys, so we're right back at the house now. Tonight we're going out for some drinks. So after what can be described as one of my worst hangovers of all time, we're having a barbecue today here at my house. Got the fire pit on. And the barbecue's locked and loaded, ready to go. Is anyone else as hungover as me?
Oh, you better not be filming. This is not a good angle.
Are you fucking serious?
You bastard.
Hey Ella, how's your hangover today? Been better?
I've been better.
Right, okay, so we've got this big juicy tri-tip Costco special. I'm gonna get it. Look at that. Right, okay, so guys, we've got our delicious meat here. Still in the hands. Delicious. So guys, after quite a heavy night last night, we decided to take it easy today. Tomorrow we've got loads of cool plans to finish off. And maybe we'll do a little announcement of where we're heading next week.
I don't even know I'm in the background.
Right guys, let's see you tomorrow. Right, okay guys, so we are in Carlsbad village this morning, getting a donut and a coffee, then we're going to head down towards San Diego. Right, so we've made it to La Jolla. We're going to try and find some food and maybe find some sea lions.
Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I get some good.
So the question is, girls, is it mimosas or is it margaritas?
Mimosas.
I can't drink anything because obviously I'm the designated driver. Girls' day out with the volley. Look at all this food. Insane. Maui Maui. So we've just been to see the seals. But yeah, we're gonna head back home now and take a chilled night tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna be dropping the girls off at the airport. Guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you go and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and make sure you hit that little notification button. And also, stick a little thumbs up on the video as well, because that helps. Right, okay, so guys, the girls are off to the next location where I'm going to be joining them in a few days. But for me, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.